Hey guys, it's been a while since I filmed the video. So today, please join me as I unbox this freshly dropped Gentlewoman box. Let's go!
Hey.
Now that the box is open, I will show you what's inside. Of course, I made sure that I get the best sellers. That's why I'm excited to show it to you today. So, let's start. Let's take a look at here.
Hey.
So also can clean my toilets. And then this is the first time I was able to purchase the next some of the next bags that I'm going to show you. But I also have here the regular canvas tote, which is already available at Love Lucy for quite some time now. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you one by one the other bags that I wasn't able to show you last time. First is this denim. Let's open it. Ooh, it's nice. Oh, it's very nice. So it looks like that. And it's similar size with the regular canvas tote that I showed you last time. But this time, it's literally made of denim. It's very nice. So, and it's really the same with the regular canvas tote. So there, you can get your tags, and then you have here a Gentlewoman label here. And inside, it doesn't have a closure, so it's an open tote. You might want to put an organizer inside. There, it's just plain, no pockets, no closure, no anything. So yeah, it's nice. And then next is we have here the large puffer tote. Puffer bags are so on trend nowadays, and this is a perfect choice for me because it's Gentlewoman. So it looks like that. Interestingly, it has this. So maybe if you're going to keep it, oh, it doesn't come off. It's really there. So you can put them together if you're not using it. Or maybe if you're also using it. Is that the closure already? I don't know. But there's also a snap closure inside. There's some magnetic snap closure. And the inside is there. This is how it looks like inside. No pockets as well. Just big space where you can put a lot of essentials. I usually see these bags, Gentlewoman totes, from puffer to the black canvas tote, regular canvas tote, usually in schools and universities. And it's so nice. Last but not the least is the logo strap tote. Open it. So it's the same material with the regular canvas tote. It's thick, it's nice. What's nice about this logo canvas tote is the structure. So as you can see, it looks like a box tote, and it comes with this so that you not have a hard time organizing your things inside. So yeah, to put more structure, let's place it nicely. The board there, and the logo goes all the way to the handle. So there. So that's how it looks like. Look, there's nothing inside. I'm not holding it, but it can stand by its own. And since the material is thick, you can actually use it for laptop. Let's try to fit the laptop. It's perfectly. There. It's just the right size. So if you're looking for a laptop pad that's trendy, it's light, and it's very nice, you might want to consider this. By the way, if you have seen my other video about Gentlewoman, I also have there a Gentlewoman logo strap box tote, limited edition, which is in black, and it's very small. So there, thank you so much for joining me unbox my Gentlewoman box today, and I'm always happy and very grateful for your support. We are almost 4,000 subscribers on Love Lucy channel, and I hope you can press the notification bell so that you get to watch our new bag videos and even staycation videos. Thank you again so much, and I am Tixie, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Love bags, love Lucy. Follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey bag lovers, for more bag reviews like this, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube. That is Love Lucy channel. So see you there.